how to fade out audio in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. To get started, zoom in on the area where you want the fade to happen. In my case, it's the end of this clip here. The first method that we can use for fading out audio is simply clicking on the edge of the audio clip and then pressing Shift and D on our keyboard. This is going to bring in the automatic transition. What we can then do is click over where the little square is right here and drag this back. This is going to create an auto fade out on our audio clip. Now if I just play this back, we can see that has faded out our audio ever so slightly. Now if you want to have more control over the fade, there is another method that we can follow. What we can do is apply keyframes to our audio clip. So what I'm going to do is select the clip and then I'm going to position the playhead where I want the fade to begin. I'm then going to set a keyframe by clicking on this diamond here. I'm then going to navigate close to the end of my clip and then press the keyframe button again. And then I'm just simply going to drag this second keyframe all the way down and to the right of my clip. Now if we play this back, that has also faded out our audio there, and that's all there is to it.